What's up everybody, Matt Maran here, and at the New York Auto Show, Mercedes showed off the CLA 35 and the A35 AMG versions of those vehicles. And so they're basically mechanically identical aside from the sheet metal and a few tweaks to like the doors and stuff on the inside. Like for example, the CLA here has frameless doors versus the framed ones you get on the A35. But as far as the mechanicals of them, they both have the same turbo 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that does 302 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque. They both use a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic and all-wheel drive, and this torque splits 50-50 front and rear, but I think it can, shuffle it around, of course, as needed, but I don't think it can send more than 50 to the rear. 0 to 60 for the CLA is 4.6 seconds. It's 4.7 for the A35, so it's 0.1 seconds slower for some reason. Maybe slightly more aerodynamic there on the CLA. Otherwise, they still get the same handling upgrades and everything as well. So you get lighter front suspension pieces. You also have these bigger brakes here that are drilled and slotted that are 13.8 inches in the front and 13 inches in the back. And so nice upgrades there. On the inside, though, they both get best-in-class interiors. They get the 10.25-inch screens. They're both for the gauges and also for the infotainment. You get the MBUX infotainment system with voice commands and touch capability as well. You also get those very sporty-looking seats there, but you can get a milder sports seat as well if you would like. So the big unknown about these vehicles, I mean, they both look great. They're very tempting. It'll be a great competitor for like the Audi S3 and stuff, but we don't have any pricing yet for these. So I think they're saying these are going to be available towards the end of this year. So that's when we can expect those details. But really, pricing is going to make or break whether these are hugely successful. We do know there's going to be 45 versions of these coming as well. And those are going to be the ones that will probably be priced similar to the current CLA 45s and stuff. So as far as how much cheaper this will be is going to be the main thing. I'm hoping that it is a good bit cheaper so that it can be a really awesome little affordable entry into the Mercedes brand while still having STI like performance and a more luxurious package. So I'm hoping it's well under 50 grand. We'll have to wait and see. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on these in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.